Welcome to the MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we have to continue with our Lecture 2. In the Lecture 2, we are going to solve the exercises of page 8 and 9 and do the reading. These are the words that we have learned. The first very question is, write the words in correct order. The words are solar system, meteoroid, galaxy, moon, universe. We have to arrange them in an order in which the largest one will come first and the smallest at last. The largest of them all is universe. The smallest of universe is galaxy, then solar system, then moon, and at last it's meteoroid. The next question is, two of the three words they are correct cross the wrong word. In the following example, three words are mentioned, two of them means the same, and we have to mark cross on the one which does not belong to the following question. People built this: observatory, star, spacecraft. Observatory and spacecraft are same, which the people built. Stars cannot be built by people. This is bright in the night sky. Star, comet, meteoroid. Meteoroid is a stone. Star and comet are bright in the night sky. People use this to look at places far away. Moon, observatory, telescope. Moon cannot be used by people to look far places. Observatory and telescope can. This travels through space. Asteroids, telescope, comet. Telescope is used by people to see far away. Asteroid and comet cannot. Now before we read, let us see what visualizing changes are. You make pictures in your mind by visualizing what you read. This helps you to take interest in the story or whatever you are reading. Let us consider the following paragraph. John's spacecraft flew quickly through space. Through the window, the moon was small and bright. On the next day, it looked like a huge white ball with a bumpy surface and large dark spots. On the third day, John's spacecraft circled the moon. The gray surface was just below him. Rocks of many different sizes covered the surface. The first thing that you can imagine in this paragraph is, you see the moon that was small and bright. Second thing that you can visualize is the huge white ball with a bumpy surface and large dark spots. Third thing that you have visualized in this paragraph is spacecraft circled the moon, gray surface, and many different rocks. Now for the reading, an audio has been attached and you are going to do the reading along with the audio. The characters in this unit are Charles and Bella. Bella is daughter of Charles, and Charles is helping Bella to understand about what is universe. Now what you have to do is reread the whole unit. That's all for today.